Okay, there are thousands of AI tools in the market. Out of that, I'm going to go through one of the fantastic, amazing AI tool. I have been using it for a couple of months, and then I have already fallen in love with the tool. This tool, you can use it for your office needs, your personal work, even when you're chatting or when you're sending out a message, emails, image generations, lot and lot more features are there, and they are keep on improving. So today I'm going to go through the AI tool, and I would love to explain each and every features of the AI tool, but it's actually huge. So I would go through and then share how I've been using this tool and what the fantastic features are. So without further ado, let's get started. Cider AI. Okay, so I've been searching for Cider AI alternative as well. I couldn't find it. Cider AI. Oh, sorry. Cider AI. So once you search for Cider AI, this is the tool I've been talking about. It's a fantastic tool. So as you can see in the video, it's it's the combination of all the AI models, all the well-known AI model. Let's go through it. So this is an AI assistant. It has ChatGPT, Gemini, Llama, and then a cloud, all of that, both free and the premium ones. So this tool, once you go to the home page, as you can see, this has extensions for most of the browsers, Chromium browsers, Safari and Edge. Plus, it has a software for Mac and Windows. I have installed that. I'm going to show it to you. And then it has a fantastic mobile application as well. Right. So now this has a free and a premium version. So once you go to the pricing, you'll be able to see they have a Christmas offer. This is at the end of the year, so December. So they have a Christmas offer for monthly. They don't have it, but for yearly plans, they have a Christmas offer for basic, unlimited, and pro plan. The one I'm using is basic, which has 3,600 credits. So it shows you like whichever the models you're using, it'll give you what's the pricing that they are going to charge, what's the credit amount they're going to charge. So you know that how much you're going to spend. I started with basic. I'm actually using basic, and then they have advanced, which will have ChatGPT 4.0, Cloud, Sonat, and Gemini and Llama, and then they have keep on adding new LLM models. So here it shows a comparison of ChatGPT and Cider, but you actually can compare any of the LLM, plain LLM models. So see, once you go here, even if it is on a monthly basis, you're only paying $10 per month, right? If ever you are going to buy, let's say, with $10 a month, you can use any of these models. But if you are to use any of these models, the advanced version, right? The credits may be lower, but you can use advanced versions for $10 plus more, right? Once you go to the footer, they are showing the latest add-ons, additions to the tool. So right now they have an Android app. I've tried it, fantastic. And then chat PDF options, and then a translator, super. Then an essay writer, which was launched like a couple of weeks ago, I think just last week. And then text to image. I'm going to show it to you. And then this is a fantastic feature, AI video shortener as well. Now, and then a lot more. We'll go through one by one. And then I've gone ahead and installed the Chrome extension. And then once you click on the Chrome extensions, it's open up a side panel, right? This is the Chrome extension, right? Now this has chat option. It's like ChatGPT, right? Um, then once you go to the chat option, you can click here and select any of these models, right? So from Cider Fusion is a model that Cider has it. So whenever you chat with it, whenever you ask questions, we'll go through the next steps. It'll pick the best model, and then it'll utilize one of these below models, the basic ones, and it'll give you the answer, right? So this cost you 1 credit, right? And then all of these basic models cost you 1 credit. Once you go to the advanced model, again, it'll cost you advanced credit, all of these. Then this one is the super advanced. They will cost you 3, and then this one cost you 15 credits, right? Here, once you go and click here, you'll be able to see how much you have spent. And then here you can take a screenshot of it. So you don't need to you don't even need to use a screenshot tool. So you can use this to screenshot, and then this is you can upload. Recently, they have enabled to upload MP3 and WAV files and video files as well. So it's mind blowing, right? And then this is something that it'll read the page, right? Then Once you go here, you'll be able to control the options. What do you want it to do? So once you ask a question, does it need to access the web? Does it need to generate an image, or does it need to use data analytics? Because so with this enabling and disabling these, so you'll actually precisely control what you're looking for, right? So as of now, I've enabled everything. Then here it has the chat history, and then here you can always create a new chat, right? Then before we go through these sections, I'd like to go to option, right? Here, you can customize few of things, right? So you can go through in deep. So the moods, simple as that, what it says. You can change the font, and then you can select what is the service provider. It says like what's the base provider you can select, but I always select Cider, right? And then the voice you wanted to, whichever the voice you can choose here. And then reading speed, that's fine. But when you go to Cider section, you can customize whether you want to open it, like whenever you open this Cider, does it need to open the previous conversation chat, or does it need to open a new chat? I usually put it to new. And then scrolling behavior, Cider icon. Do you want to place the Cider icon always on the right? Once you click this, it'll appear here. I usually enabled it, and then you can always block this to a couple of websites, whichever you don't want to. For me, it was annoying, so I just kept it off. This one I've enabled it. We'll go through this. Translation, you can actually select whichever the translation model, what is the targeted language, all of that. So you want to translate from Japanese to English, Tamil to English, whichever. Web assistant. This web assistant will help you a lot. I'll show you. It's a fantastic thing. Plus, they have added a few more things, man. Yeah, and then I have enabled this one, the email option. So we'll go through again. Email option for code. Once you enable it, it'll actually help you to understand what the code is a lot more, right? All of that. The one I wanted to show you is the prompt section. So you have chat, reading, and writing prompts. You can add your own prompts here. So this is a prompt that I have written. This is a prompt, and you can enable it to appear on all three modes. So they have a pre-written prompts. You can just drag and drop here so that it will show on the chat. You can create your own prompts. You can save them, so you don't need to keep on writing your prompts. So it's a cool feature. That's mainly it from the settings section. Once you go to the chat section, you will have chat, you will have write. Once you click on it, it'll have options. What are the things? And you can add your own write as well. Translation, you can translate one language to another. Search, we will go through it. And then OCR, you can upload an image document or an unreadable PDF document, and it will convert it to text. Grammar checker, and then ask is a cool feature, and then tools, we'll go through this. We will go through this. Now let's go to the chat. So here, once you select it, you can simply ask yeah, so I've gone to my website, right, Remaster of Info, and then look at this. So when I go to my website, then I just select this. Once you go to a website, it'll give you a summarize option, but let's think about it later. So once you go and paste this, okay, so I pasted this. So I feel like this can be improved, right? Let's take this out. Now I put a slash improve writing, right? Improve writing, right? Just like that. And then when I enter, it'll go ahead and improve this copy, right? One more thing, podcast writer. Write a podcast script for a book review. It'll use this option, and then it'll start writing a script for me. Now, so let's simply use this, create a new chat, and then I want to try this podcast writer just like that, book review. Again, it'll go and write. So you basically don't need to write the script. So if you let's say if you wanted to write a script, so you can just write it. But my this podcast writer prompt is to mainly just quickly give me some ideas about this podcast and write it for me so that I can just fine tune it and do the podcast. So that's one thing like that. So I have written a couple of things. SEO master, right? So when I use this, when I type something, it'll give me the prompt. So this is the basic feature, right? Again, you can go ahead and use any of these AI models. You can go ahead and use advanced models, ChatGPT 4 and all. Super cool. And so this is the basic function, right? Once you go to the right section, you can write an essay, paragraph. I usually use it for emails and then blog post and a lot more, right? So let's say if I want to write a review about, let's say, let's go to Amazon. I just want to try this out. Yeah, so let's try this one. Okay, I've got this. Let's see if it can do. Write a review about this. Oh, it's literally written a review about this product. Fantastic. The same way you can go ahead and edit it. Let's go to that later. Right, so you can write a review. Essay writing, paragraph writing, email writing. So email writing is really, really, really good. So let's do this. Okay, so let's close it. And I need to write an email. So somebody has sent me an email. I just have to reply. Okay, let's actually take a real scenario. Yeah, so I've got an email. Let's just say it's a newsletter. Okay, so I need to reply to this newsletter, right? So let's say it's an email from someone, and then I just wanted to reply. Okay, so I would probably copy this. Once I copy, it'll automatically copy here, right? So this is an email. So it's not about a reply, to be honest. This is an email, right? So I need to fine tune this email, right? So it will consider this as an email, and then it will fine tune. When I submit this, it writes me an email, right? Same time, I want to reply back. So once I select this email, it copies, and I would say, can we have a Zoom call next Monday? I even made a spell mistake. Let's see what it does. Thank you for regarding the exclusive offer for real estate CRM. I would appreciate the opportunity to call with Zoom call for next Monday. So it just have written, I copy and paste it and reply back. Okay, that good it is. Let's not go there. So you don't need this. You don't need this. I'll just cut this. I go, and when I go here, AI reply, it gives me some suggestions, right? So let's say I click this. I'm interested in the demo call. So it writes me that, right? I can even continue improving it, or I can regenerate it, or I can see what's actually the key point is. So based on that, I can reply back. Okay, so I can click insert, and then it'll write it for me. But then I'll try again. Let's have a Zoom call next Monday, and then again, it has written fantastically, right? That good it is. So that's the writing part. Let's go back. Let's go to the search part. So I wanted to do some search, right? So I want to write an article about something, or let's say, yeah, I want to write an article about improvements in the AI and the future of humanity, let's say. So I'll just do that. Improvements in AI technology, and so it gives me some suggestions and the of AI. So I'm doing a research on that. So when I do the search, okay, you can see where it is searching for. It's searching for Google, YouTube, Wikipedia, and all. So it gives me the search result. So it acts as your research assistant, right? So it gives me all the copy with the links, and then this article, right? So let's keep this for our next work, right? So I'm just copying this. Okay. I just copy this here. Go to translate, paste this English to Tamil. Translate. gives me the translations, right? That good. Not only that, you can go ahead and upload an image and then it'll convert to text. It'll check grammar and you can go and ask something, right? So you can ask from the prompt, you can ask from this thing. So how to clean at home. Yeah, it gives me with the detail, right? I can do the same search here and then I'll see what's the difference is. Yeah, it gives almost the same result, but once you search from ask, it gives me a little more. So it just gives you as an answer, right? And then yeah, so that's mainly it from the search sections or the text searches, text functionalities and all. Now, once you go to tools, you will have more stuff. So you can upload a PDF document and then you can ask questions. This is pretty much same, but I would like to try something here. So YouTube Summarizer, right? Once you click on this, it'll open up a new page. Yeah, on YouTube, let's click on click on it. Should open something like this, and then I can click here, summarize video. So the SiderAI would go and summarize the whole video. So most of the time, you don't even need to watch the video. It'll literally summarize, right? And then, okay, it doesn't end from there. You can click here and then you can start chatting with the content. Give me the content in, right? Like that, right? It just gives me the summary of it. Watch highlights. It'll just go and give me the highlights of that video, right? Not only that, once I click here, copy the video, right? I'll go to video shortener. It'll open up a new page. When I press save, and then it'll go and shorten the video. And let's say select John. I'll select whichever the language I want. This is in English. Who is my audience? College students, adults. Commentary style. What type of comments you need? Let's say storytelling. Okay, create the clip. Right, so it will start creating the clip. Okay, it's already done.
Understanding what drives a video's viral success is not just a matter of chance. It's a blend of art and strategy. The magic lies in attention-grabbing scripts, compelling voiceovers, and captivating visuals.
It gives you the summary.
These elements.
So that good it is, right? So let's not stop there. So let's go for the other tool, essay writing, one of the latest feature, right? So it'll help me to write an essay, right? So let's research on other and the proof that life may exist on Mars. Okay, just a hypothetical thing. Let's see. It goes and start writing. Not only that, it starts generating images for me. Right? Look at this. This is unbelievable. So it start generating images for me. So if you are a content writer or a blogger, you can just simply get this content and then fine tune it, rewrite it, whichever you want. Let's not stop there. So it started creating these things. For now, this is just the latest feature, right? So the last option, if you'd like me to expand or dive deeper into specific section, I'm open for refining and editing mode. If I want, yes, I can say yes. From there, I can copy, or I can just export it to a text document, right? And then once I open it, I have a fully written article here. I couldn't find a tool which would do all of this for a fraction of $10 per month. right? Now the writing is done, translation is done, good to go. Let's go for the image tool. Once I click on this image, now you can remove background, you can remove text from an image, uh, a lot more, right? So let's start with simply um, Painter, right? So I have been trying it a couple of times, but now I'm going to go for the surprising part. It has all of these models. So you don't need to have subscription for different models. It has subscription for all the models, from DALL-E to Indiogram to Flux to everything, right? Now let's try out an actual prompt from, let's say, Leonardo AI, and then see how it shows in Cider, right? Let's check this. I've just copy this prompt, nothing else. Just go there, and then let's use Indiogram, paste it, generate. Same time, let's try something like this. Copy. I paste it. I can select. Let's try Flux. Okay. I would want to do more tutorial about this. Look at this. Look at this. This is the previous option. It almost has got the same features. Look at this. Unbelievable, right? Then the next prompt was this. I didn't even know what the prompt was. I just wanted to see similar content. Let's see what it does, right? So you have all the functionalities, possibilities you could do from these image generation models, right? And look at this. It's super, super cool. It doesn't stop there. You can upload image. You can fine tune the image, change the sizes, aspect ratios. You can change aspect ratios, right? Right, like that. And then you can optimize the given prompt, right? That good it is. So I was able to generate lots of realistic content. So let's try this one. Okay, just wanted to see if it is really doing what it does. So Indiogram, I think I tried Indiogram 2.0. Flux is there. Yeah, let's try Indiogram. I'm going to lose 2 advanced credits for this month. This is losing me 3 advanced credits. This is actually 1, so let's go for the 1 advanced credit. So it will start doing that. At that same time, let's go to Google. Okay, let's try this out. Okay, so I'm saving this image. Okay, not that I'm going to use this, but yeah. Oops, super cool. This is nice. Similar to this with the tattoo. Nice. So like that, you can generate tons of images. So I was actually generating these type of images using the base models, right? STXL has lesser. It takes 3 basic credits, not the advanced credits. So like out of 3,600 credits, I can use it. So no issues. Background remover is there, so it can remove background, simple as that. So basic features, but this is interesting. You wouldn't put this image, then I want to remove the text, right? So let's try this out. Just confirm and then see how it can remove the text. This is before and then this is after, so it can simply remove the text. Remove brush, so you can upload something and then paint on top of it and it'll remove the brush. So I would probably be creating more videos on these in painting. You can paint things and then you can write a prompt, it'll create stuff. Upscaling and then replacing background. So I would be creating more and more video on these type of topics. So that is in Painter. So have we covered all of that? Because there are tons of options here. I think we've covered more. I mean, all of the features. I've explained it to you. So this is what SiderAI could do. And I hope you guys learned something. If you wanted to learn more about AI and features of AI tools and all, I've been trying out lots and lots of AI tools. So I would love to share these with you guys. So if you would love to hear more, learn more about it, just put a comment on this video and then learn more. Yeah.